What's up, guys? Matt here today. I've got a special video for y'all doing the last walkthrough on this spec house right here in front of me that I'm about to show y'all. Today's the day, the closing day, to turn this house over to the brand new buyers. Aren't they going to be excited to get in this beautiful, nice home? Here it is, guys, the outside view. Let's do a walk around of this house first thing, and then I'll take y'all inside. Check out this beautiful landscape here all across the front right here. The buyers specified that they wanted this landscape, so we put it in here for them. Check this out. All this nice gray siding, brick exterior, beautiful black gutters that we put on this house. I really love the color scheme and how this house came out. They got a super nice backyard here with a wooded area in the back to block them off from the surrounding houses. It's like a little miniature forest in the backyard, and I actually saw some deer right back here in this thicket eating just the other day when I was over here cleaning this house up. So let's turn around here. Here is the back of this house. We've also landscaped all along the perimeter here with some nice, beautiful blooming rhododendrons. Super nice deck we've got here on the back. Covered deck, may I add you, with the existing roof line. I always love when the existing roof line covers the deck like that. We've got a super nice 5-foot wide staircase going up there. That's a pretty wide deck. You could sit a nice table, couch, anything up there and watch the wildlife right here in the backyard. All right, guys, let's walk on around this side. There's the dormer up top that once I get up there, I'll show y'all. Come on down through here, back around to the front, and I'll take y'all inside this beautiful new house. Check out this door right here. I love these flat panel craftsman style doors. This is what I put on my personal house. This is what I put on this spec house. It's a real pretty addition, a little bit different than the carriage style that a lot of builders have been using lately. But so check it out. It's inviting us in with this nice open front door. All right, follow me up these stairs right here with these nice ornamental iron handrails on each side. That's going to take us right up into the front door into the living room of this house. Let me turn the camera around and I'm going to give you the tour of the inside of this brand new home. We're going to walk into this nice 11-foot high foyer, all custom lighting in here, can lights throughout to illuminate the whole house. We're just going to leave this door open while we walk around, but let's walk in here to the great room first. Huge great room we've got in here with this nice 6-foot ceiling fan. Man, that's a beautiful ceiling fan. And we've also got the gas logs over here with this custom shiplap fireplace. Right here goes right out to that deck I was telling you about. This deck right here is about 20 foot long, about 8 foot wide. You can fit tons of stuff out there to sit out there and view out on the backyard. All right, guys, right here off of the great room is your dining kitchen area. We've got a nice coat closet right here with the 5-panel doors. We've used the square craftsman shaker style trim throughout. Also, we had upgraded to the cove mold everywhere for the crown instead of your regular crown profile. Beautiful white custom cabinets, subway tile backsplash, granite throughout. Check this out, guys. This is a beautiful kitchen. All you ladies out there would love this white kitchen. Subway backsplash, Samsung Beautiful stainless Samsung dishwasher, stove. Customize this one with the slide-in range. I love the slide-in stove range. That way you get to see the whole backsplash. Samsung microwave. We've got these awesome stainless pulls right here, everywhere. Soft close drawers throughout. Wow. Check this out, ladies. You're gonna love this. This is a super nice walk-in pantry. Look at that. Walk all the way in this thing. We've got shelving all the way around this pantry. Wow. All right, guys, right off of the kitchen is we've got our laundry room here with this awesome faux cementous design tile right here. So awesome. You got your laundry washer and dryer right here. This door is going to take us out into our garage. It's our 2-car garage right out here. Nothing much to see out there, just a garage. All right, we're gonna head back over here into the great room, and I'll take y'all down the hallway to where the bedrooms reside and the master suite is off in the back. But first, let's stop right here in this bathroom. This bathroom is gonna service your downstairs bedrooms, custom lighting throughout. We've got all stainless, and we've got these beautiful chrome Delta faucets. I love the chrome faucets. Did those in my personal house as well. I'm really into the chrome right now. All right, next on our stop here is going to be bedroom number 1. Nice, huge bedroom. Double window in the front. We've got your closet over here. Fans in all the rooms. Check this one out, guys. Here we go. Here's another one. This one's about 2 foot wider than the one I just previously showed you. Same size closet right here. Fans in every room. All right, let's back out of here. Take a left down toward the master suite. First, we've got our linen closet right here. Store all your linens in there to service these 2 bedrooms and bathroom. Let's head right on down here into the master suite. Here we go. We've got a beautiful tray ceiling, cove mold crown everywhere. Also have a fan in here. Can lights in the master so that you've got plenty of light in here to do whatever you need. You can look right out the back window into this wooded area I was talking about. When I build these houses, I always like to deviate from the plan and spread these single windows out rather than one large window in the middle. It gives you more options of where you can actually place your furniture, not have to cover up the windows themselves. All right, guys, here it is. Let's turn and go into the master bathroom. We've got our white custom cabinets in granite in here, just like the kitchen. Cove molds throughout. All the same trim, 5-panel doors with the one buys craftsman style trim. Let me turn the light on in this closet here. Nice large walk-in closet, shelving. Plenty of place to put all your clothes. All right, and as we come on in here, like I said, we've got the double vanity. We've got the linen area right here. We've got a nice soaker tub here with our chrome Delta faucets throughout. Here's our beautiful, beautiful frameless shower door right here on this nice custom shower. Check this out, guys. Awesome. Wouldn't you love to take a shower in this? All right, so that does it in the master suite. Let's head on back out of here, back down the hall, and I'm gonna take y'all upstairs to the bonus slash another maybe master suite area potentially. All right, here we go. This was the front door right here we came in. So right after the front door, you're gonna head up this beautiful staircase. On the right, we've got our attic access. Nothing to see in there, just some storage area, attic, insulation, and the such. So right here on the left is our bonus area. We've got about maybe 400 square foot up here. 2 fans in here. Say your kids grow a little older, ready to get away from mom and dad, but not ready to leave the nest yet. Send them right up here into this sweet area. They could just live right up here. We've got a full closet up here. Let me hit the lights in this one. Full walk-in closet for the upstairs, and we've also added this bathroom. This was the dormer I showed y'all as we walked around the house. We've got our white custom cabinets, Delta faucets throughout, custom lighting, tub in here. Check that out, guys. This is where I'd want to be staying if I was the kids of the parents that buy this house. All right, guys, let's head back downstairs. And I didn't mention, but we do have this awesome engineered hardwood flooring on the ground. That's some beautiful flooring right there. Beautiful flooring. That concludes the tour walkthrough of this spec house. This is the last time I'm gonna be here. The buyers are gonna take possession of this house today, so I gotta hurry and leave here and get to the closing table to sign this baby over to them. But I appreciate y'all walking through here and watching the video and watching all the other videos on my YouTube channel, no matter what the content might be about. If you like what you've seen, make sure you go down there, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see you in the next video.